Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything cars. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. Have you ever looked at your old car and wished it could shine like it did when it was new? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving into some lesser-known tips and tricks to make your car's paint look brand new again. And no, we're not just talking about a quick wash and wax. We're getting into the nitty-gritty of car detailing that will leave your car sparkling. First things first, let's talk about the basics. You know, washing your car properly. Sounds simple, right? But there's actually a bit more to it. When you wash your car, use 2 buckets, one with soapy water and one with clean water for rinsing your sponge. This way, you're not just rubbing dirt and grime back onto your car's paint. Also, make sure you're using a good quality car shampoo, not dish soap. Dish soap can strip away protective wax and harm your paint. After you've given your car a good wash, it's time to get into some deep cleaning. Have you heard of clay barring? If not, you're in for a treat. A clay bar is a fantastic tool for removing embedded contaminants from your paint surface that regular washing can't touch. Think of it like exfoliating your car's skin. You'll need a clay bar kit that includes the bar itself and some lubricant. Spray the lubricant on a small section of your car and gently rub the clay bar over it. You'll feel it picking up all the gunk. Wipe off any residue with a microfiber cloth and move on to the next section. Trust me, after this step, your paint will feel as smooth as glass. Now that we've got a clean slate, let's address those pesky scratches and swirls. You don't need a professional to take care of these. What you do need is a good polish and a dual-action polisher. Don't worry, you don't have to be an expert to use one of these. Apply a small amount of polish to the pad, dab it on the paint, and then spread it around on a low speed. Once it's spread out, increase the speed and work the polish into the paint in overlapping passes. This will remove light scratches and swirl marks, making your paint look much healthier. Okay, so your car is clean, smooth, and the scratches are gone. What's next? It's time to protect all that hard work. Waxing your car is essential, but not all waxes are created equal. For the best results, go for a high-quality carnauba wax. This natural wax gives a deep, rich shine and excellent protection. Apply the wax with an applicator pad in a circular motion, let it haze over, and then buff it off with a clean microfiber towel. Not only will this make your car shine, but it will also protect the paint from UV rays, dirt, and rain. If you really want to take it up a notch, consider using a paint sealant before waxing. Sealants are synthetic products that provide a longer-lasting protective layer than wax alone. They're especially great if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions. Apply the sealant just like you would wax, let it cure for the recommended time, and then buff it off. Follow up with a coat of wax for that unbeatable shine. Now, here's a little insider tip: quick detailer sprays. These are awesome for keeping your car looking freshly waxed between washes. They're super easy to use. Just spray it on and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. It's perfect for getting rid of fingerprints, dust, and water spots, and it enhances the shine and protection of your wax. And we can't forget about the trim and tires. Faded black trim can really make your car look old, no matter how shiny the paint is. Use a trim restorer to bring back the deep black color. It's simple to apply and makes a huge difference. For your tires, a good tire shine will not only make them look new but also protect them from cracking and fading. Apply the tire shine to a foam applicator and spread it evenly over the tire. Wipe off any excess to avoid sling onto your freshly polished paint. Finally, a little trick for those chrome or metal accents. Use a metal polish to bring back their luster. Apply a small amount to a cloth and rub it onto the metal in a circular motion. Buff it off with a clean cloth, and you'll be amazed at how much brighter your car looks. So there you have it, folks. With a bit of elbow grease and these lesser-known tips, you can make your old car paint shine like new. It's not just about looking good. Maintaining your car's paint also helps protect it from the elements and keeps its value up. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite car detailing trick? Do you have any secret tips that you swear by? Let's get a conversation going in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy detailing!